This Ramadan quenched the thirst of some of the most needy and deserving people around the world by supporting our international water projects. 16 million people in Pakistan do not have access to clean drinking water. Al-Khair Foundation is firmly committed to the task of eradicating thirst and providing clean and safe water facilities and sources for as many people in deprived and displaced dispositions as possible. In Pakistan, we have been installing water hand pumps and water wells in the most impoverished regions. For just £150, you can provide water hand pumps to a family in Pakistan. For £750, you can donate a water well capable of providing an entire community with safe, clean drinking water. These hand pumps and water wells reach the most rural and needy areas in Pakistan and are regularly maintained by our teams overseas. Help us continue in quenching thirst globally. Donate generously by calling 03000 999 786 or donate online at alkhair.org.